Hello, this is John, and so this is how the robot was charged over here. So he has a charger there, as you can see. He will just park over there and charge himself while waiting for the next delivery. So they just plug it to the auxiliary outlet, put it there. Look at that. And this is the menu in the stand: deliver, guide, add display, express, answer. I don't know, but he has like, this is like a computer because there's Wi-Fi, there's battery charge. So this is the control panel, and this is a very nice robot. So look at this robot. Wow, take a look for the last time. It's the back of the robot. Okay, and this is the front desk. See, that's where he is parked. Very nice.